everyone, my name is Collin Spear. I'm with the Lost River Market and Deli, and I'm here to present Cooking Matters to you. Today's recipe is Ratatouille. We are going to need a large tomato, a small red onion, an eggplant, a medium-sized squash, a medium-sized zucchini, some minced garlic, oil, oregano, basil, pepper, salt. Today's utensils we'll need are a baking sheet, a large chef's knife, measuring spoon, a large mixing bowl, and a cutting board. Our first step is going to be to preheat our oven to 425 and let that warm up while we prep the other things. To wash all of our produce, so eggplant, zucchini, squash, onion, tomato. Our next step is going to be to dice our eggplant and our onion. You'll just want to slice off the top of the eggplant, the bottom of the eggplant, cut that sucker right down the middle, lay it down, and then you'll slice this long ways, like this. Just do a few slices here, and then you'll just go ahead and cut it widthwise to little cubes, just like that. To dice your onion, you'll go ahead and do about the same thing that you did with the eggplant. You'll slice off the top, you'll slice off the bottom, you'll make a little cut along the skin. You can go ahead and peel off that skin once you make that cut. You go ahead and cut the onion in half. Set one half to the side and make little incisions all the way through the onion, about 3/4 of the way down the side. And then slice like this, and it should come out in little cubes. Once you've done that with your entire onion, you can take all of your chopped onion and go ahead and add it to the bowl along with all of your eggplant, right to your big bowl you have. You go ahead and start with our zucchini and our squash. Go ahead and cut off both ends, keeping your thumb and your fingers back. We will slice down the middle of the zucchini, just like that. Set one half to the side, cut down the middle again, and then slice those halves in half again, so you'll have 4 pieces in all. And then from there, you'll just do a rocking motion, and that should bring your zucchini down into little pieces, about this size. Go ahead and repeat that with the squash, just the same method, and go ahead and throw those in your bowl. Okay, from here, we'll go ahead and take our garlic, and we're going to mince it. So you're going to take 1 clove of garlic, put your knife over it, and just with the palm of your hand, you're gonna hit your knife. Okay. From there, you can go ahead and peel off that garlic skin. Get it all off the side, we don't want that. So you just have the meat of the garlic. Go ahead and gather that in a little pile here, and just mince it. Once you have minced your garlic, you can go ahead and take all of that and put it right into your bowl with the rest of your vegetables. So in your bowl, you should have your eggplant, your zucchini, your squash, and your red onion along with your garlic right now. Okay, from here, we're going to go ahead and dice our tomato. So you can go ahead and cut sides off of the core. We'll slice the tomato just about like we did with everything else. We'll slice it into slices first. Then get them lined up. Slowly go over them until you get nice little cubes of tomato just like this. We're going to go ahead and leave that on the cutting board because we don't want to add it into the bowl. At this point, we're going to go ahead and add in our 3 tablespoons of oil, our 4th teaspoon of salt, our 4th teaspoon of black pepper, our 1 teaspoon of oregano, and our 1 teaspoon of basil. And you can go ahead and mix this up. You can either use a large spoon or wash your hands very thoroughly and mix it with your hands. From here, we're going to take our baking sheet and coat it in oil. I'm using a little bit of olive oil, and I'm just going to rub it around and make sure I coat the pans evenly. And we're going to go ahead and dump in all of the veggies that are in the bowl, not adding the tomato yet. And this is ready to go in the oven. Our oven is preheated to 425. We'll go ahead and open up the oven, put our pan of veggies in, close that up, and we're gonna leave that going for 20 minutes. Once this is baked for 20 minutes, we can go ahead and take it out and add in our tomatoes. And you'll want to mix that around into the rest of the vegetables evenly. And we'll stick this back in the oven at 425 for 15 to 20 more minutes. Once your ratatouille has finished baking, you can go ahead and pull it out and plate it. Looks very nice. You have a few colors in there. It's nutritious, delicious, and beautiful.